Bird migration is one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. It's the seasonal journey that many bird species undertake, traveling thousands of miles to find food, suitable climates, and safe breeding grounds. The study of bird migration has a rich history, dating back to ancient civilizations that observed these remarkable journeys. Early naturalists documented the patterns and behaviors of migratory birds, laying the groundwork for our understanding today. So why do birds migrate? There are three primary reasons: food, climate, and breeding. As seasons change, food sources can become scarce. In winter, insects and plants that birds rely on may disappear, prompting them to seek warmer areas where food is plentiful. Climate plays a crucial role, too. Many birds migrate to escape harsh winters. And of course, breeding is essential for species survival. Birds often travel to specific locations that provide the best conditions for raising their young. But how do birds know when and where to go? It's truly remarkable. Birds use a combination of instinct, environmental cues, and even the Earth's magnetic field to navigate. They can sense changes in daylight and temperature, which signal the changing seasons. Some species, like the Arctic tern, have an incredible ability to travel thousands of miles from the Arctic to the Antarctic, guided by the stars and the sun. Speaking of distances, some migration routes are astonishing. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migration, flying about 44,000 miles round trip each year. Imagine traveling that far just to find a warm place to rest and breed. Other birds, like the monarch butterfly, also undertake epic journeys, showcasing nature's incredible endurance. To make these long journeys possible, birds have developed unique physical and behavioral adaptations. Many species have specialized wings that allow for efficient flight, while others store fat reserves to fuel their travels. Behavioral adaptations, such as flying in V formations, help conserve energy and improve aerodynamics. However, migration is not without its challenges. Birds face numerous obstacles, including extreme weather, habitat loss, and predators. They must navigate through storms, find food along the way, and avoid dangers like power lines and buildings. These challenges can make migration perilous, and not all birds make it to their destination. Despite these challenges, migration offers significant benefits for species survival. By moving to different regions, birds can exploit seasonal resources, avoid competition, and find optimal breeding conditions. This adaptability helps ensure the continuation of their species. There are also many myths surrounding bird migration. One common misconception is that all birds migrate. In reality, only certain species do, while others may stay put year-round. Another myth is that birds migrate alone. In fact, many species travel in flocks, which can provide safety in numbers. Human impact on bird migration cannot be overlooked. Urbanization, climate change, and habitat destruction pose significant threats to migratory birds. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect their migratory routes and breeding grounds. Organizations around the world are working to create safe habitats and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these incredible journeys. Understanding bird migration helps us appreciate the interconnectedness of ecosystems and the need for conservation. By protecting migratory birds, we are also safeguarding the health of our environment.